Spencer from Shreveport Cycles. We've got a high lifter unit for you. And you all know that the High Lifter Mud Nationals is coming up. And don't you want a brand new rig you can take out and show off at the Sabine ATV River Park? How about this High Lifter Razor with the portals? Yeah. How cool would it be to have this show up at the High Lifter Park, sponsored by Polaris, with a High Lifter Razor, especially in red. We will cut you a heck of a deal on this. It's ready for the mud. It's already got the awesome Outlaw 3 High Lifter mud tires with the fuel rims, two-tone, and red. Look how beautiful that is. 33 by 9 by 18. It's already got the High Lifter snorkel kit on it. It's got the hard metal roof. You want to check it out? See? Yep, good quality right there. That's American-made steel. Metal windshield by Kolpin. High Lifter Razor comes with a 4,500-pound winch on front of it. So yeah, if you want to know some more information, I got some details for you. High Lifter Mud Nationals, sponsored by Polaris. It's going on March 15th through the 19th. Okay, it's their 20-year anniversary, and it's in Burkeville, Texas. I'm reading off my phone here, so I got some notes. And it's the Sabine ATV Park. High Lifter Mud Nationals 20th anniversary party, so you know it's going to be awesome. Come by and pick up this Razor today. Tell Josh to give you a great deal. Tell him Spencer said so. Thanks for watching.